This is another video of my little steam engine, and I've got a little more fuel in there this time, and I can just hear the steam starting to take. Let's see if she's ready yet. There she goes. I've got a bit of a shaft situation here which might cause a problem, but for a first time effort I'm not too displeased. Apparently by adjusting this screw you can slow it down a bit. I would imagine that slight wobble in the shaft would cause some vibrations. I don't know how bad it would be, but it's a learning process. I had to force that shaft into the flywheel, and possibly it should have been reamed out a little bit first. I like the way it runs. I think I'm pretty pleased with it.